everyone, it's Ellie here. Today I have a 20-piece squishy package that I ordered. So yeah, let's just hop right to it. So the first squishy that I see is this loaf of bread. Yeah, it's really cute. Oh, it smells quite nice. It doesn't show rice, but it's really cute. Put that over there. The next squishy that I have is this loaf. This one kind of smells like chemicals. So. The next one that I have is this little mushroom. Wow, that's really surprising. Then I have this pink sandwich. Then I have this Gudetama sushi. Then I have this, is it butter? I'm not too sure what it is. I think it's butter. Ooh, that surprises a little bit. What is this? Is this pancake? I'm not sure what this is, guys, but I don't know what it is. If you guys know what it is, leave it in the comments below, because I have no clue what it is. Then we have this little hot dog bun. Oh, that's surprised a little bit. Then we have this pink donut. Oh, that's quite surprising. Then we have another taiyaki. If you see my 30-piece squishy package, you will know that I got a pink taiyaki. Then I have a yellow taiyaki. No. And I have this little bun. I have this green bun. Then I have this croissant. Oh, that one surprises a little bit. Then I have this little cat face. Oh my gosh, that is quite surprising for how thin it is. Yes. Then I have this melon bread. Oh, I have this little koala. Wow, that's so surprising. Oh my god, I have this upstairs. I was actually squishing this last night. I have this from my 30-piece squishy package. I have this as well. It's just as surprising. Oh my god. I think this one's a little bit bigger though. I'm not sure, but I literally got this in my 30-piece squishy package. I was squishing it last night. Oh my god. Then I have this little bear. Oh my god, it's surprising. Then I have, it's like, I don't know what this is called. People call it bubble donut. I'm just going to call it bubble donut. But other people call it different things. I'm just going to call it a bubble donut. So, I've never got one of these before. Yum. Then the last thing in here, I got a mini panda bun. I've never ever got a mini panda bun before in my whole entire squishy life. Literally never. And it's so cute as well because I've got like a jumbo one that's exactly like this. It's so sticky and so rising. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. They also come with lots of stuff and that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much and goodbye.